Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the HAR.com Texas Rentals app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. HAR.com Texas Rentals is a real estate app designed to help users search for rental properties, homes, and apartments across Texas. It offers advanced search filters for price, location, property type, and amenities, along with interactive maps to explore neighborhoods. Users can view high-resolution photos, detailed property descriptions, and contact landlords or agents directly through the app. It also includes features like saved searches, push notifications for new listings, and integration with the HAR.com website for seamless browsing. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many renters appreciate its accurate and up-to-date listings, easy navigation, and comprehensive property details. The app's map-based search and neighborhood information make it easier to compare options in different areas. Direct messaging with property managers is also a highlight, helping speed up the rental process. Still, there are some downsides. Availability is limited to Texas, so it's not useful for those searching in other states. Some users have reported occasional glitches with saved searches or filters, and property updates may sometimes lag behind real-time availability. In competitive markets, listings can be taken down quickly, making timing crucial. In summary, the HAR.com Texas Rentals app may be worth using if you're looking for rental properties specifically in Texas and want a detailed, user-friendly search tool. It shines in its property information quality, local focus, and communication features. However, if you're searching outside Texas or need guaranteed real-time availability, it might fall short. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.